check the trajectory. Got a 1 pound SCP in it. Super low. Pull the pin back. Think about this for a second. Smaller ball, so longer sling. Okay. Alright, my concerns are that the pouch will, or sling will hang up in the teeth that release. What are my other concerns? That the mass of the projectile is really wide. It's far to the outside diameter of its rotation compared to a ball, which is tight and centered. I hope we can get enough torque on it to get a good spin, because that's the only thing that'll stabilize it. If it doesn't spin, it's just gonna go crazy. I got this car coming. Let me hold on a second. All right, wind's at our back. Probably maybe 10 miles an hour. So 3, 2, 1. All right, that was not stable at all. So, but I don't know what happened. Yeah.